You can remove your makeup perfectly, and you should. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Now, makeup removal is quite simple when you do it correctly, and removing it correctly is a rite of passage, so to speak. I'm also really passionate about makeup removal because it helps the products you put on top work really well, properly, in fact. And since I've been removing my makeup perfectly, I've gotten clear skin that looks better with makeup on, as long as I remove it properly. So in this tutorial, we're going to start by talking about the actual product that you use. I have found a resource. In beauty in general, there's products that you like to use. There's products that are exciting to buy or try. Some are expensive, some are affordable. I think that makeup removers should be affordable because I think it's our right as women to be able to remove our makeup without it being costly. I've used a lot of different incredible makeup removers. In fact, all of the ones you see on the screen are really good. They're just very expensive, and I don't like the feeling of having to worry when I'm running out of something. I'm not sponsored by this brand or affiliated at all. This is a product that really feels not like an investment, but like a resource. The refills are under $10 and the product itself is like $9 or $10. It's amazing. Oil cleanser in general, regardless of which one you're using, is the best way to remove makeup. And waterproof makeup, oil cleanser will remove it so easily. Regardless of what product you're using, the key is the technique with your hands, which I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to pick off the glue from these false lashes. You can reuse these several times, so store them away for another day. If you're using a liquid oil cleanser, take a few pumps into your hand, and if it's a balm, take a little bit of product into your hand and rub your hands together to coat your hands entirely. From the base of the palm all the way up to the fingertips, coat your hands with the oil and swipe from the base of the palm to the fingertips. The key here is to create large, even sweeps of the oil to dispense it all over your face evenly as possible, and this is going to set you up for success for the perfect makeup removal. After those initial sweeps, you can see I'm using my fingertips and I'm creating a mixture of fingertip action with the palm sweeps because I want to keep redistributing that oil and using my finger neck. I just said finger neck. I mean my fingertips, and I'm etching that makeup away and lifting it off of my skin and merging it with that oil. I start on the largest parts of my face and I work around the nose and then into the eyebrows, moving back and forth to get the makeup from the hair follicles in between the hairs and really getting it off. When you use the entirety of your palm to redistribute that oil, you don't need to add more. You can just keep remixing it over the skin, and now it's time to focus on the eyes. The reason I don't recommend that you start with your eye makeup is because it's most visible. Most of the makeup on your face blends in. That's the whole point, actually. So if you were to remove things based on visibility, you're likely to leave makeup around the temples and around the jawline. Whereas when you put your focus there first on the entirety of your face, you're going to end up doing a much better job, and you're going to end up with much clearer skin. Oil cleansers don't stay oil. When they get wet, they turn to a liquidy milk as soon as they touch water. And so it's fascinating that it transcends itself to become watery and remove your makeup. This is great even for oily skin people. Hopefully, your makeup at this point has been removed perfectly because the product works its magic and you work your technique. However, if you're brand new to makeup removal and you're still working on your technique, you can use a cleansing water or just some water on a cotton pad, swipe it around the jawline, over your eyes, and double check to see your progress. And eventually, your technique will be good enough that you will just know that you've removed your makeup perfectly each time. Now we are going to cleanse again. Double cleansing is really important because we remove the makeup perfectly, but now we use our cleanser to actually treat the skin based on whatever ingredients it has in it. You can use your fingertips to cleanse, and you can use an exfoliating tool like a silicone brush head. This is really great for manual exfoliation and getting your cleanser to do a perfect job at treating your skin with whatever ingredients it has. And now, once you've double cleansed and rinsed everything off, you can use your products with knowing that they're bringing you clear skin by working effectively, not working against leftover makeup and dirt. I'm applying my skincare, and I wanted to use a lash serum that didn't have any drug in it, like no prostaglandins, because those can make your under eyes darker. But I still wanted to improve my lashes. I started using this one by Miriam M. It's all natural. This was my lashes before, and these are my lashes after 8 weeks, actually. After 8 weeks, I got really good results. I'm going to start using it on my brows too, and it's all natural, so I don't have to worry about any side effects. This goes on my top lashes and on my bottom lashes because I want both of them to get longer and fuller, and I'm going to continue using this. It is so great. I noticed also in the photos, my eye area seemed to improve too. So I thought that was interesting. Like the fine lines or something. I can see it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Watch Cleanser 101 next for a guide on cleanser types like foaming, gel, all of the information you need for cleansing perfectly too.